Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Tudor Black Bay Monochrome and 58 GMT versions. This model's popularity ensures no need for introduction. However, don't confuse it with Black Bay 58. The new watch has a 41mm case. 58 is significantly smaller at 39mm. Monochrome is just black and silver, with no color accents whatsoever. There's an upgraded movement, the in-house MT5602-U, designed and manufactured by the Tudor-owned company, Kinesi. While the power reserve of 70-hour remained the same, it has been now fortified against magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss and has the Master Chronometer certification by Metis. It means the watch may gain no more than 5 seconds over a day, regardless of the state of its power reserve. Last not least, the new Black Bay sports 2 bracelets and a rubber strap, all with the T-Fit clasp with on-the-fly micro adjustment. The new 58 GMT surprises by its slenderness. It's only 12.8mm thick, while the quite recent Black Bay Pro, with the case of the same diameter, is 14.6mm thick. The reduced thickness has no impact on the movement. The in-house MT5450-U has better anti-magnetic quality, and it is a certified master chronometer. With Tudor Black Bay, you can't really go wrong, and now you have more options to choose from. It's an elegant watch, no doubt even more so as a monochrome, yet it's robust enough to be taken from a business meeting straight into a swimming pool without skipping a single beat.